You want to sing a song together?
Oh, is that from...
Is that so funny?
Is that from Aunt Ann and Uncle Donnie?
Yeah, Uncle Donnie.
And Aunt Ann?
It says, Elmo loves to sing with you. Hope you have a really fun birthday. We love you, Uncle Don and Aunt Ann.
Aw, that's so nice.
That is so nice.
Yeah.
And they gave you money.
Yeah.
That was so nice.
How sweet. I just got stuck.
We'll have to go buy some nice toys. Can you say thank you?
That's good.
Say thank you, Aunt Ann.
Okay.
Look at the camera. Say thank you, Uncle Donnie. Uncle Donnie.
Hey, Uncle Donnie.
Say we miss you.
I'm a worker tomorrow.
What's it say? Oh, he's got yogurt all over him.
Oh, do you love it?
I'm a
You are messy. The end. Was it a little book?
Mommy will say, Emma. Emma.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
No, say Emma.
Say I love you. We can look forward to this song about 1,000 more times.